Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we are in the beautiful town of Bisceglie, right along the Puglian coast overlooking the Adriatic Sea. This is a gorgeous villa and it's actually really big. It's well over 3,000 square feet. Now this villa can be made into a two-family residence without any modifications except some flooring and adding another kitchen. There's a total of 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. All the furniture is included, and of course that means the kitchen, which is nice. There's heating throughout the villa. The AC is on the first floor. On the second floor, you will have to add AC if you want it, but all the lines are in place. There's a garage that fits 2 cars, plus there's 2 separate driveways, which can fit altogether 4 to 5 cars. This is a gorgeous property in a really nice area in Puglia. So if you have a big family or you have extended family and you want to vacation together, this is for you. Take a look.